Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. Just an unboxing and first impressions, not a review today. We have three super cool knives that were loaned to me by Crane's Cutlery. Check them out. I'll link them in the description. I don't get to keep these. These are going to go back, but definitely a model that I wanted to check out, and we have a few different variations. So they will get full reviews down the road, but I just want to unbox them first. What do we have here? So one of these has, God, they're all nice. Okay, let's just start with this one. So this is the Velocity. Very, very low serial number on this. This is, I think, one of those knives where like there are special variations that are specifically available at Crane's Cutlery. If you like special Reates, Crane's Cutlery. There are knives that are specifically unique to Crane's Cutlery. So if you like that type of special stuff, that's where you want to go. This paper, nearly impenetrable. Oh boy. Oh yes, look at this. Oh gosh, I thought it was an integral. Good Lord. Okay. So you guys already know I say that the Zerkatei that Reate does is far and away the best looking stuff I've ever seen. And typically it comes like this, these types of things come exclusively from Crane's, like I said. So yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous. It looks exactly like the stuff that's on my Jack 1.5, which was, again, a Crane's Cutlery exclusive. That was the one that ended up being ridiculously valuable. Oh yeah. The combination's not for everybody, but man, it is definitely for me. I like this dark, it's like dark gunmetal titanium. Super nice. Close to like what I recently experienced with the Snafu. But more gray and less bronze. Really, really nice. Is this a Tashi Bharucha? Yes, it is. Right there. So distinct. That design language, once you see it, you can't forget it. A little choil right here. Look at that. Nice and thin behind the edge. Oh, yes, wonderful. Look at that. How they cut that piece of Zerkatei to just sort of line up, stepped. Oh, the detent is beautiful. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, hold on. This detent feels so good, it almost feels magnetic. Oh, man. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good, final close position click. If you can get it exactly right. God, that's nice. That's so nice. Okay, we have to move on to another one. So the next one here, what is this one? Elmax and Zerkatei. Okay, so this is going to be like a basic one, I guess. I would assume. So it's usually Reate doesn't use. I don't want to mess that piece of paper up because these are all going to go back. But okay, here we go. So a lighter finish on this guy. Actually really like the seam construction. If you can do it right and line it up, I actually prefer that. Yeah, it'd look cool with a backspacer, but honestly, like everything has a backspacer, so it's kind of fun to get something that's a little bit different. I wonder if these are. There's no way they're all Zerkatei. I'm guessing that these are the Crane's Cutlery versions specifically. So this is the Elmax blade in hand rub satin. This is 006. That's actually kind of cool. Very, very neat. So these are Elmax. I'm going to guess that, with Reate typically doing M390 from 60 to 61, which is very good. I'm going to guess that they are at least there with Elmax, which is also a wonderful steel. Actually, not a lot of people don't know this. Elmax is in my personal top 10 favorite steels. I prefer Elmax over M390. I know that M390 is generally considered a more premium steel, not specific to any one attribute. I'm saying it costs more to produce, and therefore will add cost to a knife over Elmax. But it tends to not be very tough. It tends to be a bit chippy, especially when heat treated properly, right? Elmax has better toughness, and it has a fantastic balance of attributes. It's kind of, I don't know if calling it a super S35VN is very accurate, but it's kind of the halfway point between steels like S35, S45, and M390. I think it's got a better balance, and I like the toughness a bit better. And I also find it not difficult to sharpen, which is a big deal for me. I don't love sharpening, so the less time it takes, the better. So very cool. I like Elmax. And then finally, we have this one here. What does this say? So this is also Zerkatite, and this is Damasteel again. Okay, so we have two Damasteel bad boys in here. Oh, so this is going to be Damasteel with the lighter finish. Oh, okay, all right, I see. Okay, you guys will have to tell me which one you think looks the best. God, I love these. Part of the reason why I love materials like Zerkatite so much is the inlays will never ever look the same. And you could say that about marble carbon fiber or shred carbon fiber too, but because of all the colors, it's so specific. Like, you could get one that's like pretty good, or you could get something that's outstanding. The nice thing about Reate's Zerkatite is that it's all outstanding. But look at the variation in the pocket clips even. Boy, oh, I think that one right there takes the cake, right? As far as top inlays go, probably going to have it to get this guy, or non-show side inlays. And then show side inlays, which one looks the best? Probably this guy with a big old chunk of zirconium right there around the pivot, and the pivot collar is also Zerkatite. Same with the Damasteel blades, and this is legitimately Damasteel, right? So Artibale 34 and PMC 27 from the Damasteel company. Same thing with Damasteel. Part of the reason I like it is, even if it is cut from the same block or whatever, I think they're like rod. Are they rods? Anyways, no, it's a sheet, right? I forget what you call it. It's clearly cut from the same one, but the patterns are still unique, right? They're still a little bit different from each other. We can see here, this front area has a lot more vertical lines, and then it just explodes into chaos, right? Really, really nice, kind of a satin finish, very subtle etch there, so we can see the lights and the darks. Very cool. Tashi Bharucha's designs sometimes are a little intense for me. This has the Persian, almost like a trailing point blade, and the size of it is definitely more to my preference versus, well, I mean, he makes huge and little tiny knives like many people. But as far as Tashi Bharucha designs go, I think this is definitely one of the better looking ones. And specifically, man, this dark tie one with the Zerkatite and the Damasteel, like, this is so beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Just real quick, we're going to measure it so you guys know what you're looking at there. Overall length of this guy's coming in just shy of 8 inches, 7 3/4 inches. Blade length, however, is about 3.5. Really nice ratios. A 3-inch cutting edge, thanks to that forward choil. And then we'll go ahead and weigh them too. I very much doubt they're going to weigh very much, given that they are not integrals. It means they almost certainly have internal milling. They do. So these are probably in the mid 4s. Nope. High 3s. 3.8. 3.9. They're going to weigh exactly the same. I don't know why they wouldn't. Again, 3.9. Okay, cool. So there you go. Pretty awesome. You guys will get a full-length review of these this model a few weeks down the road, but that's going to be it for today. Thanks again to Crane's Cutlery for allowing me to share these with everybody. Links in the description for Crane's Cutlery. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.